Hello, welcome to the Drug Formulary Database training videos. In this video, we're going to discuss the second set of function buttons available to us when adding and editing information in the database. We're again in our Management Indicators Manager where we can see the active management indicators as well as their symbols. To begin with, let's start as if we were going to add a new management indicator. From our new screen, we could name our management indicator and give it a symbol. But what we want to talk about here is these four buttons in the upper right-hand corner. We have Save, Save and Close, Save and New, and Cancel. If we were to create a new management indicator, and click Save, you can see that our information has been saved and we've been returned to the exact same screen we were just on. From here, if we make changes, and click Save and Close, you see that it saves our information, but returns us to the original management indicator screen, closes out the Add Edit screen we were just in. You can see that our new management indicator has been added, and then the most recent changes we've made have been saved. If we again go to our edit screen, make a change, and this time click Save and New, you can see that our changes have been saved, but we've now been taken away from the edit screen we were just in and to a new screen where we can continue to add new management indicators. This button in particular can be very helpful when you are adding a series of new items. So rather than saving your information, returning to the management screen and clicking New again, this just removes some of those middle steps and allows you to be able to add new items one after the other. The last button to talk about is Cancel and Close. When adding a new item, we have a Cancel button. So if you've gone in to add an item and then changed your mind or realized that you can't complete the action, Cancel will not save your changes and will take you back to the original management screen. When editing an item, this button is called Close, but it has the exact same purpose. It won't save any changes that you've made and will return you to the original management screen. One more button that you'll probably rarely use is Save as Copy. This button allows you to make changes to an item and then instead of saving your changes to the original item, to save them to a brand new item. This has several uses. The only one I can think of that might be relevant to this particular database system is if you had two drugs with different names but very similar instance information. You may go in to the first drug, the original drug, change the name, and then click Save as Copy. And what this would do would create a new drug with a new name, but with the exact same instance information as the old drug. As I said though, this is fairly rarely used. Particularly with this system, it would be almost as easy to go in and just create a new drug. But that is what this button is here, and that's what it is for. This concludes our discussion of the second set of formulary buttons available to us when adding and editing information in the database.